Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching for reasoning. At the section today we are going to discuss about deriving conclusions or coded inequalities. Actually this is a continue class. In my previous class already explained 1 to 10 questions. Have a look at model 2. So what is the difference between model 1 and model 2? In model 1 questions, so single statement given, based on the statement some conclusions are given. So based on the statement which conclusion as follows, that is a required answer in model 1. So in model 1 which options has given? So only 1, only 2, either or, neither nor, both 1 and 2. But in that model, so here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 statements given. So already given semicolon. X, what I am given statements, X is greater than or equals to W, T less than S, W less than or equal to U, T less than U. So this is total how many statements given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 statements given. So based on that 4 statements, 3 conclusions are asking. What is first conclusion? X is greater than U. Second one, S is greater than U. Third one, T is less than W. So according to the conclusions, which options has given? If only conclusion 1 follow, A. Option B, only 3 conclusion follow. Option C, only conclusion 2 follow. Option D, either conclusion 1 or 2 is true. E, none is true. So this is a given options. So clearly we need to notice that by using the 4 statements, how we are going to write the single statement. That is very important thought. So here according to the statements, 4 statements given here. So 4 semicolon indicates each one has a one statement. So X is greater than W. Next link, W is less than or equal to U. Next T is less than U. Next T is less than S. So clearly we have to observe. So in that question, so we have to make some rules in symbols. Actually A greater than B, sometimes it can be written from B, B is less than A also, or it can be written A is greater than, up and down, A is greater than B. It is also right segment. A is greater than B, B is less than A is greater than. Greater means this is a greater part. So this is a greater part. Am I clear? This is a smaller part. You can read from greater, A is greater than B. It can be read from B, this is a smaller part, nothing but smaller than, nothing but less than. A is greater than B or B is greater than A. Suppose that this is A is less than or equal to B. Am I clear? From B it can be written B is greater than or equals to A. B is greater than or equals to A. Also it can be written A is less than or equal to B. So less part taken towards A, okay. This is A is less than or equals to B. This is also right structure, okay. If it is written from left to right or right to left, less than will become less than or equal to will become greater than or equal. But it can be written from top to bottom, greater than or equals to will become same, greater than or equals to A to B. From B to A it will become greater than or equals to, okay. A is less than or equal to B, A is less than or equal to B. From B, B is greater than or equals to A. Am I clear? So in that question, 4 statements given. By using the 4 statements, it will be converted into single statement. What is the first statement? X greater than or equals to W. That is the first one. Next link, W is less than or equal to U. W is less than or equals to U. That is the second one. Next one, T is less than U. From U, it can be written greater than. U is greater than T. Next one, T to S relation, T is less than S. By using the 4 statements, it can be converted into single statement. So this is very important concept. So here how many statements given? 4 statements, but it could be written in the single statement by using the 4 statements. So based on that rules in my previous model, what I am telling, the same rules apply here also. So first one, X to U. First one, X to U. According to order, U to X to U apply directly. X to U already appears opposites. This is greater than or equals, this is less than or equal. So once opposite symbols are coming, the relation cannot be defined. Nothing but first one is wrong. Second one, S to U. S to U, according to order, U to S apply. U to S, how many symbols are coming? 2 symbols. So this is also opposites, greater than, less than. So it is also not defined. relation cannot be defined. Next, T to W, T to W, according to order, W to T apply. W to T also opposite symbols, W to T. Am I clear? So less than or equal to greater than also opposites. So it is also fail. So all are fail. So if it is all are fail, then we have to check same variables. Is it appeared same variables in that conclusions? No, nothing but none is true is right answer. Option E is right answer. Am I clear? So let us go to question number 12. Statements. So what is given statement? G is less than J, semicolon, L equals to M, semicolon, J is greater than or equals to L, semicolon, P is greater than M. 4 statements given. Based on the statements, how many conclusions asking? 3 conclusions. First conclusion, M is less than or equals to J. Second conclusion, L is less than P. Third conclusion, G is greater than L. So according to the given statement, so firstly, G to J, what I am given? G is less than J. That is the first one. It's clear. Okay, na? This is clear. Next one, again J to L link. J is greater than or equals to L. Third one, it is also over. Next one, L equals to M. L equals to M. Again, P is this is also over. Next one, P is greater than M. From M, it can be written M is less than P. By using 4 statements, how we are going to convert into single statement? So according to the relation, you can directly write the single statement. So based on the single statement, first one, what I am asking, M is less than or equal to J. M is less than or equal to J. Okay, but according to J, J to M apply first. Reading, writing, all are starts from left to right. So that's why I am apply J to M first. So J to M, J to M, 2 symbols are compared. One is greater than or equal, another one equal. So any symbol compared with equal, that will be obtained at final. That means J is greater than or equals to M. Because L equals to M means L replaced by M, then what is the relation between J to M? Greater than or equals to M. But J is greater than or equals to M can be written from M. M is less than or equals to J. So first one is true. Am I clear? Next, L to P. Second one, L to P asking. L to P, how many symbols are compared? 2 symbols. One is equal, another one less than. Any symbol compared with equal. So any symbol compared with the equal. So finally that will be obtained at final. So L equal to M means M replaced by L. Now that L to P relation, L is less than P. So it is also follows. Second also follows. Third one, G to L. So G to L, how many symbols are compared? 2 symbols. G to L. One is less than, another one greater than or equal. So nothing but opposites. Once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be determined. Now the answer is only 1 and 2 follows. Only 1 and 2 follow. Both conclusion 1 and 2 is true. Option E is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 13. So given statements, G is less than H, equals to R, R is greater than or equal to S, S is greater than or equal to M, semicolon. Second statement, Y is less than J, J is less than or equal to K, K less than M. By using the 2 conclusions, firstly it can be written single statement. By using the 2 statements, it's not a conclusion. By using the 2 statements, only 2 statements given. So how we are going to write the single statement? So first expression already given, but before that conclusion, how many asking? 3 conclusion. First one, M is less than or equal to H. Second one, Y is greater than G. Third one, J is greater than H. Okay. So first, by using the 2 statements, how we are going to convert into single statement? First one directly can write it. Okay. So G is less than H. Second one, H equals to R. H equals to R. Next one, R is greater than or equal to S. S greater than or equals to M. That is the first one. Am I clear? So next, M link already given, but it is given in reverse order. So once I am write that. So first one, G is less than H. Second one, equals to R. R is greater than or equal to S. S greater than or equals to M. So Y to M already given the relations. According to reverse order, K is greater than, less than M. From M, it can be written in reverse expression. M is greater than K. Again, K is greater than or equal to J. Next one, j greater than y. So it can be written in reverse order because ended with m in first statement. So that's why I am taken the reverse order. So first statement m to h. First one m to h. M to h. According to order, h to m apply first. H to m. How many symbols are compared? Two symbols, equal to, greater than or equal. So equal with other relation, greater than any symbol compared with equal, that will be obtained at final. So h is greater than or equals to m. From m it can be written m is less than or equal to h. So first one is true, m is greater than or equal to h. So second one, y to g. Y to g. So g to first one, g to y apply. G to y, how many symbols are compared? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be determined. Already got opposite here. Less than, equal to, less than. Again less than, greater than, opposites. Less than, greater than or equals to also considered as a opposite symbols. So once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be defined. Next one, third one, j to h. J to h. According to order, h to j apply first. H to j, how many symbols are compared? 1, 2, 3. 1 equal to, greater than or equals to, 1 greater than, 3 greater than or equal to, nothing but it can be counted as one time. Equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than. So equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than, that means, so equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than, that means what? So in that comparison, if it is appeared multiple symbols, one single is appeared in that comparison, one symbol, single symbol, nothing but single relation, greater than, comparison, compared in that multiple symbols, that will be obtained at final. Okay, h to j, what you are getting? H is greater than j. Okay, from j it can be written j is less than h. Is it j is less than h? No. So then answer is only one follow. Only one follow, option A is right answer. So if it is appeared multiple symbols, one single is appeared in that multiple symbol, that will be obtained at final. So h is greater than j. It can be written j is less than h. Is it j is less than h? No, j is greater than h. So third one also wrong, not follow, couldn't follow. Then answer is only one follow, option A right answer. So let's go to question number 14. Given statements, A is greater than P, P equals to B, B is less than or equals to O less than D. What is second statement? B is greater than or equals to K, K greater than L, L is less than or equal to C. So given conclusion, first one, B is less than or equals to D, second conclusion, L is greater than A, third conclusion, A is less than D. By using the two statements, so how you are going to convert into single? So first one, what I am given, you can directly write the first statement, given statement, A is greater than P, P equals to B. Next one, B is less than or equals to O less than D. That is the first one. Next link, what I am given, B to K. B to K greater than. So it can be written B is greater than or equals to K. Am I clear? So greater part appear towards B. B is greater than or equals to K, K greater than L, L is less than or equals to C, because so K couldn't write left or right side of B, because B already appeared in the first statement in the middle part. So that's why I am taken from B relation bottom top to bottom. So that is a combination of these two statements. So first one, B to D asking. So B to D, what I am asking? B to D less than or equals to. B to D. Actually B to D, how many symbols are compared? Two symbols. Less than or equal to, less than. One is double, another one single, finally get single. B is only less than D. Is it only less than? No. This is wrong. Next, L to A. L to A, according to A, left to right. L to A to L apply first. L to A asking, but according to rule, left to right apply. A is greater than P, P equals to B, B is greater than or equals to K, K is greater than L. A to L, how many symbols are appeared? 3 symbols. Greater than, equals to, greater than or equal. So if it is appeared these three relations, finally we will get single relation. A is greater than L. From L it can be written L is less than A. Is it less than A? No, that is also wrong. Am I clear? Actually, if it is compared multiple symbols, once opposite once single is appeared in that multiple symbols, so that will be taken at final. Am I clear? So A to L greater than, equal to, greater than given, greater than or equal to given, but single already appeared, that will be taken at final. A to L greater than, it can be written from L, L is less than A. Is it L is less than A? No. Next one, A to D. A to D asking, A to D how many symbols are compared? Here A to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, greater than, equal to, less than or equal, already got opposites. Once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be determined. So third one also wrong. So none is true, all are fail, nothing but none is true, option A is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 15. So what is the given statements? 4 is greater than A is greater than or equals to 8. Second statement, U is less than or equal to Z, Z is less than 4. Third statement, T is greater than 8, 8 is greater than or equals to H. So three conclusions given. First conclusion, 4 is greater than T. Second conclusion, Z is less than 8. Third one, H is less than 4. By using the three statements, so how we are going to write the single statements? So first one, what I am given, 4, okay, 4 is greater than A, again A is greater than or equals to 8, and here first one is over, so second one, what I am given, U is less than or equals to Z, Z is greater than 4. So first one second statements are already link that single relation, linked with single relation, and third one, T is greater than 8. So T is greater than 8, okay, T is greater than 8, greater part taken towards T, again 8 is greater than or equals to H. So this is a single expression by using the three statements, it is also our. So questions what I am asking, first conclusion, so 4 is greater than T, 4 to T, first one 4T to apply, what is the relations? Greater than, this is greater than or equal to, 8 to T, it can be written less than, already got opposites. So once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be determined. 4 is, you can write 4 is greater than A is greater than or equal to 8, but 8 to T, it can be written less than. So 4 to T, three symbols are appeared. So greater than or equal to, greater than, but greater than and less than are opposites. Once opposite symbols are coming, the relation can't be determined. Next one, Z is less than 8, Z is less than 8, so Z to 8 apply. So three symbols are appeared, less than, greater than, already got opposites, so this is also wrong. Next one, H to 4, first one 4 to H apply. So 4 to H, what is the relation? 4 is greater than A is greater than or equals to 8, 8 is greater than or equal to H. So 4 to H, two symbols are appeared, two symbols are compared, one is greater than, another one greater than or equal, both are same. You can write, you can read only one time. One is a single, another one double, finally got single. So 4 is greater than H. It can be written from H, H is less than 4. Is it H is less than 4? Yes, this is true. Only 3 follow, only 3 conclusion is true, option A right answer. Am I clear? Have a look at question number 16. Statements, O is greater than H, H is greater than or equal to W, W equals to D, D is greater than or equal to I. That is a single first statement. Second statement, R is greater than G, G is greater than M, M is greater than or equal to H, H equals to B. Third statement, X equals to U, this is X equals to U. Next one, U is greater than or equals to M. So given conclusions, only two conclusions asking. First one, X is greater than I, second one, I equals to X. So by using the three statements, how we are going to convert into single? You can write the first statement for what I am given, O is greater than H, O is greater than H. Next one, H is greater than or equal to W, W equals to D, greater than or equals to I. That is the first statement. So what is the next links, where it is given, next links, R, G, M, H, B, R, G, M, H, H already given, H, M to H. So M to H already given, M to H, M is greater than or equals to H, M is greater than or equal to H, H equals to B. Next link what I am given, R, G, R is greater than G. R is greater than G. Again G is greater than M. Next one X U M. So X relation, X equals to U. X equals to U. U is greater than or equals to M. But conclusion, what I am asking, X to I. X to I. So X to I, you can write X to I. So this is X part. X is equals to U. X to I, you can express the symbol X to I. X equals to U. U is greater than or equals to M. M is greater than or equal to H, because it can be written from M to H greater than or equal to. Again H is greater than or equal to W. W is equals to D. D greater than or equals to I. So clearly we need to notice that X to I, how many symbols are appeared? Only two symbols. One is equal, another one greater than or equal. One is equal, another one is greater than or equal. 3 times appeared, it can be read 1 time. Equals to 2 times appeared, it can be read 1 time. So equal to greater than equals. So if you appears only 2 symbols, equal to greater than or equal, but finally makes greater than or equal to. Any symbol compared with equal, that will be obtained at final. So X to I, 2 symbols are appeared. So equal to greater than or equal, but finally makes greater than or equal to. X is greater than or equals to I means what? Maybe greater or equal. So it can be written X is greater than I, or X equals to I, or I equal to X. Am I clear? So this case is referred to as either or. So option C is right answer. But already got 2 relations, 2 symbols. X is greater than or equals to I. That means what? Maybe greater or equal. It can be read greater than or equals to. X is greater than I. So first conclusion. Second conclusion, I equal to X. Already got X equals to I or I equal to X. So this 2 variables, same variables are coming in both conclusion, and already got double relation greater than or equal. This case is referred to as either or. So option C is right answer. Either conclusion 1 or 2 is true. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 17. So what is the given statements? P equals to J. J is greater than or equals to A. A is greater than or equals to X. Second statement, Y is less than J. J equals to E. Less than or equal to U. Less than Q. So 2 statements only given. Based on the 2 statements, only 2 conclusions are asking. So first conclusion, X equals to E. Second conclusion, J is greater than X. So by using the 2 statements, it can be converted into single statement. So clearly we have to observe. So what I am given first statements, P equals to J. Next one, J is greater than or equals to A. Next one, A is greater than or equal to X. So next link what I am given, Y to J. Y is less than J. Less than the less part appear towards the Y. Greater part towards appears the J. J equals to E. Next one, E is less than or equal to U. U is less than Q. This is a single expression. Am I clear? This is less than or equal to, this is less than. So first one, X to E asking X to E, because from Y to Q it doesn't possible to write the left side, because already P appeared. That's why I am taken top to bottom to the second statement. Okay, you can merge the 2 equation, we will get the same results. Okay, it can be written left to top to bottom or bottom to top, but you should maintain the correct comparison. Y is less than J. J equals to E. E is less than or equal to U. U is less than Q. X to E. First one, X to E asking. What I am given the symbol equal. X to E. First one, E to X apply. E to X. It can be written from E to X. E equals to J. E equals to J. J is greater than or equals to A. A is greater than or equal to X. So E to X, how many symbols are compared? 2 symbols. One is equal, another one greater than or equal. So any symbol compared with equal. So one is equal with other relation, greater than or equal. So E is greater than or equal to X. Is it E? It can be written from E is greater than or equals to X. It can be written X is less than or equal to E. Is it less than or equal to E? No. First one is wrong. Here only X is equals to E given, but what I am obtained final, X is less than or equal to E. Double relation, but here only half part is satisfied. So that's why it is not follow. Next one, J to X. J2x. Actually directly J2x, how many symbols are compared to? One symbol only, because both are same, you will get same result. J is greater than or equals to x, but here only greater than given. It is also wrong, because double relation. J2x double appeared, but only half part is satisfied. So both are failed, that is called neither nor. Neither one, conclusion 1, nor conclusion is true. Option D is right answer. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 18. So given statements, K is less than G, G is less than or equal to R is greater than D. Second statement, Fe is greater than W, W equals to R is greater than S, S is greater than or equal to T. Conclusion, S is greater than G, second one F is greater than or equal to K. So by using the two statements, it can be converted into single statement. So you can merge it based on the variables. So firstly, what I am given, K is less than G, G is less than or equal to R, again R is greater than D. That is the first statement. Second statement, what I am given, F is greater than or equal to W, W equals to R. Okay, W equals to R. You can write from top to bottom, because side is not possible. W is equals to R, R is greater than S, S is greater than or equal to T, and first F is greater than W. That is you can merge the two statements, you will get the same result. Okay, this is F. Okay, right. First one, what I am asking, S to G. S to G, according to order, first G to S apply. So G to S, G is less than R, again R is greater than S. Already got opposites. So once opposite symbols are coming, the relation cannot be defined. So first one is fail. Second one, Ft is greater than or equals to K. F is greater than or equals to K. It can be written from K. K is less than G. K is less than G. G is less than or equal to R equals to W. W is less than F. So three symbols are appeared. Less than or equal to equal. So in that multiple comparison, one single is appeared, that will be obtained final. So K is less than F, because clearly we have to observe K is less than G, G is less than or equal to R, next R equals to W, W is less than F. So K to F, three symbols are appeared. In that multiple relation, once a single relation is compared in that multiple relation, that will be obtained final. K is less than F. Okay, it can be written from F, F is greater than K. F is only, is it greater than only? No. What I am given, greater than R equals to. So that is also fail. So neither nor, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2. Option D is right answer. So let's go to question number 19. So given statements, D is less than N, N is less than U, U is less than or equal to B. Second statement, P is greater than T, T is greater than or equal to F, F equals to U, U is less than T, I, this is I is greater than E. Conclusions, what I am given, first conclusion, T is greater than D, second conclusion, N is less than or equal to I. So by using the two statements, how you are going to merge the statements? So firstly, directly you can write first statement. What I am given, D is less than N, N is less than U, U is less than or equal to B. So next merge where it is appear, U to I, U to I, what I am given, U is less than I. You can write top to bottom, okay na? I is greater than E, this is a greater symbol. Next link, what I am given, T, F equals to U, F equals to U. Next one, T is greater than or equals to F. Next one, P is greater than T. This is a merging statement. P is greater than T, greater part appear towards P. T is greater than or equal to F, F equal to U, U is less than I is greater than E. So first conclusion, T to D, T is greater than D. Is it follow or not? T to D, according to order, D to T apply first. So what is the symbol? This is less than. D is less than N, N is less than U, U equals to F, F is less than or equal to T. In that multiple comparisons, one single is appeared, that will be taken at final. So finally, D is less than T. It can be written from T, T is greater than D. So first one is true. Am I clear? So one should explain that. First one, D to T especially, D is less than N, N is less than U, U equals to F, F is less than or equals to T. That is the relations. Actually dt to dtt less than both are, you can write one time, you can read one time, less than, equal, less than. So if it is appeared multiple symbols, so finally once opposite only single is appeared in that multiple symbol, that will be obtained at final. So here which one is a single relation? Less than, D is less than T. It can be written from T, T is greater than D. That is the first one. Second one, N to I, N is less than or equal to I given. So first one, N to I apply directly. So N to U it can be read less than, U to I it can be read less than. So 2 less than, nothing but finally got same less than, N is less than I. Is it only N is less than I? No, additionally equal to given, less than or equal to. So that's why second one do not follow. So only one follow, option A is right answer. Only conclusion 1 is true. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 20. So given statements, K is less than E, E is less than or equal to G, G is less than or equal to Z. That is the first statement. Second statement, P equals to J, J is greater than Z. Third statement, I is greater than or equal to R is greater than P. So by using the three statements, which type of conclusions asking? First one, E is less than or equal to P. Second one, K is less than R. So how can merge the three statements? By using the three statements, how can write single statement? So which one given first? K is less than E. You can write first one directly. Again E is less than or equal to G. Next one, G less than or equal to Z. First one is over. Am I clear? So next, according to reverse order, Z to J it can be read Z is less than J. Again J equals to P. Second also over. And third one it can be written in reverse order. P is R is greater than P. It can be written P is less than R. R is less than or equal to I. This is a single statement by using the three statement. So E to P asking first. So E to P what I am given less than or equal to. First one E to P. E to P how many symbols are compared? Three symbols. Greater than, less than or equal to, less than, equal. One single is compared in that single relation, nothing but this is a single relation. One single comparison in that multiple relation, that will be obtained at final. So final result, E is less than P only. Is it given E is less than only P? No, additionally equal to given, less than or equal. So first one do not follow. Second one, K to R asking, K to R. K to R how many symbols are appeared? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it only 3 symbols are appeared, less than, greater than or equal to, equal. So once a single is appeared in that multiple comparison, that will be obtained at final. So K is less than R. So is it K is less than R? Yes, it is true. Only 2 follow, option B is right answer. Only conclusion 2 is true. Am I clear? Okay, rest of the model I will discuss you later. Thank you. Have a nice day.